Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, of course, thanks for asking. This is a student of course 18 Normal Public School. The family consists of 4 members, and they are my father, my brother, my mother, and me. My father is a businessman, and his name is Hafiz Rahman. And my mother's name is Najmi Nahar, and she is a politician, and she is the chairman of 7 Bhansali Union Council. And my brother is a student like me, he is a student of Shepu Government Teachers Government School. And uh, and my favorite hobbies and my leisure time activity is playing guitar. I love to play guitar. It's my leisure time activity. Usually I play folk songs and rock songs. My father can sing very well. I play with my father's song. And I want to be a doctor in the future. So everybody, you should pray for me.
So your main aim is to be a doctor.
Yeah.
Uh, Beside this, how you wanna serve your locality?
Oh, it's a very important question.
Because you are a son from a political family,
Yes.
and you want to be a doctor to serve your people.
What I do, what should I do? And when I will be a doctor, my father already suggested me and said to me, give me a speech to me that he will establish a free clinic for me and my brother. My brother is hobby also is he want to be a doctor. So we two brothers, if the if the Lord bless us, we might be a doctor. Then we start them free without any cost. It's our hobby, and it's the main cause of we want to be a doctor is my grandpa. My grandpa's wish is he want to be a doctor. Then he said to his sons that your sons might be a doctor. So our two brothers might be a doctor. So pray for me and ask to.
Now I want to know something about learning English. As sports should say, the importance of learning English in our day-to-day life. What do you think? What is the importance of learning English in your day-to-day life?
Oh, it's very important question. Speaking English is a very important thing. You know that English is our international language and is very important language. We can't stay in this today's world without English. We can't spend our day-to-day life without English. English is very important in our day life. You know that. You are also a student at university. You know that the higher educational books are written on English, not in Bangla. So we must be know English. And you know that with the spoken English, if we go to any other country, we can't speak with them because they don't know Bangla. So we have many problems without learning English. So and spoken English is also important in our Bangladeshi education, and we have many subjects in English. And if any foreign body come in our country, we cannot speak with them. It's very a thing of shame. So we must be know spoken English. Spoken English is very important for us, and if we two brothers wanna be a doctor, so it's very important for us because the books of medical are written on English. So I hope that every guardians of our Bangladesh should spend them in spoken English class and learn them in their child in English. So that's all.
Can improve our English in speaking, reading, learning, and listening. I think there are 4 steps.
Yes.
How can you
Oh,
elaborate?
there are 4 steps or 4 skills of English. There are speaking,
Yeah.
listening, writing, and reading. And among them, we can improve our listening skill by watching Hollywood movies. English film is very important for speaking English and listening skill. If we be a good listener, we will be a good speaker. Good speaker depends on good listener. When will be a good listener, we will be a good speaker. Good speaker depends on we might be we must be read English newspapers, English books, and we should speak English. We should break our ice breaking by speaking English in speaking in public place, and we should have conversation in our day-to-day life. We should affect them in our day-to-day life and by speaking English, and we should reading skill depends on our reading, like reading English newspapers, headline of the news channels, and it's totally depend on our book English book, and the and reading skill writing skill depends on our writing. Writing is very important for us, and writing more and more it will be improve our writing skill. So by all of them we can improve our English, total English, speaking English, listening English, and writing and reading, and by all of this we can improve our English.
Well, thank you. I think you have learned so many things about learning English, about speaking English. Do you want to spread? Do you know the meaning of spread?
Yes.
Do you want to spread your learning belongings, your skill to our most people, to your locality, and how?
It's not possible in today's world, in our recent world, because they don't know how to write the name. Many people of our locality, but who are literate or who are educated, we can speak our English skill by them, by establishing spoken English course, by establishing night schools, and it will depend on guardians. Guardians might be helpful to their child, and might be helpful to their child, and who are educated students like us, and we should spread English by establishing spoken English class, and that's all. By all of this we can speak them.
You can spread your knowledge among your friends, among your relatives who are literate and who have keen interest to learn English, but they have not enough opportunity to learn.
Yeah.
After gathering your knowledge, you can spread it to your friends and your family. It
Yeah.
will help our society.
Yeah, it's very useful because they're not so much educated. If we establish some night schools, at first they must know how to read and write, then how to say Bangla properly, clearly. Then we should spread English properly. Without them, it is not possible, but it is possible if everyone have much opportunity and much prayer and curiosity. It depends on curiosity. On
Okay.
people's curiosity.
Thank you. Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you too.
I think you both will serve our nation as well as serve our locality. Thank you. Thank you
Pray
very
for
much.
us.
And thank you, our
Honorable.
honorable teacher, Dukhu sir.